So I've invested $122,000 into internet gurus. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened in this video. So I started a coaching business in 2019. I actually made $0 for the first 16 months. At this point, this is my breaking point. I was struggling. I was like, all right, I need to make this thing happen. So I decided to invest in these internet gurus, all right, with the last money I had in my bank account. The first one was Western Mastery, as he goes by on Twitter. His name is Sean. So a little bit sketchy. His name is Western Mastery. Like, who is this guy? But end up, investing in him. And this really took us from zero to my first 10K month ever. Like, I really remember vividly, like, driving in my Honda Civic, blasting music. I was yelling. I was so excited. This is literally the richest I've ever felt in my life. Like, to this point, just at that 10K a month mark, like, it feels insane. And yeah, this was my first legit mentor. Really appreciative of him. He taught me a lot, especially kind of took me from just like a low ticket recurring model. I was charging literally I think it was $69 for my first client, and it actually took us to 4-figure packages, charging 1, 2, even up to 3K when I was working with him. So really appreciative of him and everything he's done for me. That's the first one. Zuby is the second one. You might recognize him. He's pretty well known, and I hopped on a consultation call with him, and he helped me out a lot with personal branding. So he gave his insights on that. I actually told us a lot of what I was doing was actually correct. So I kind of boosted my confidence a little bit, and learned a lot from him, just kind of studying his content, what he does as well. So that was number 2. Number 3, Dan Coe. So this was really probably the first person that I knew from Twitter that I met up with in person. So this was a really surreal moment. All right, I say self-belief max here, and that's for a reason. I flew to Arizona with Gabe, one of my business partners, and we were meeting up with these internet people for the first time ever. It was a very interesting experience. It's kind of weird at first, but once you meet them, it feels totally normal. And so I met up with Dan at his apartment. He was super nice. Let us stay there for a night, and we actually ended up going to Vegas together. Anyways, just hanging out with him in person, someone who's already successful at what he's doing with his online business. And this was a few years ago before he really has blown up now. This was surreal because when you meet someone successful in person, it really gives your brain undeniable proof. It's undeniable proof. This is just another human. He's not a robot. He's not AI, and he's making it happen. What I want to achieve, and he's making it happen. I'm just talking to him. He's a normal person, and this really maxes out your belief. Because all your limiting beliefs just go out the window when you meet these people in real life and you realize they're just a normal person, just like you. So that was a huge moment for me. So really appreciative of him, and he helped me out, and I had a few hundred followers. I DM'd him and ended up hopping on a call with him. So really grateful for him. Dakota, learned a ton about writing from him. So he does a lot of things now, especially with writing. But he was someone that we hired, and he's one of the main contributors to helping me hit 87 million views in 1 month. So huge help with that, going ultra viral. I learned a lot from him from as far as a writing standpoint. Zach Hummel. So big thing with Zach is I learned a lot about leadership and coaching with him. So me and Gabe here, we did an in-person retreat with Zach. So we basically flew out to Indy, and we stayed at this cabin, and we kind of drew up a bunch of business plans from that cabin. And also I remember this one moment where we were brainstorming about something, and I had an idea for something of what to do, what to solve the problem, and I'm but I don't know. And I say that, and then Zach instantly snaps, makes this crazy eye contact that he's making. He's bulging eyes. he beams over. He's stop. Don't ever discount your valuable input like that again. And I remember that moment because it was so intentional, so serious, and it was a big thing, just building my confidence more and more, and seeing just the way he goes about his leadership was really impactful in the way that I coach all my clients. So that was really a big lesson for me with Zach. Andy Strom, he's actually he's a Florida native here with me, lives not too far from me, and we hung out a few times. We're at the gun range this time. He's a sales wizard, able to learn a lot from him, sales wise. He has a ton of experience there. So grateful for being able to meet up with Andy. Jeremy Pogue, Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but he's actually one of my most recent mentors that I invested in. He's just an IG ads like monster. So that's like the main skill set I'm learning from him. And this is still a work in progress. Like just launched my IG ads recently, got some good initial results, but definitely like worth it. Charlie Morgan, another one, big guy on YouTube. And this is like, I learned all things client acquisition from him. Like he's truly the GOAT at client acquisition. I learned so much from him. Really, really good program that he does. Couldn't recommend it enough. Shane Hunter, one of the OG online marketing dudes, and he was a huge help in outside perspective. I remember I was on a Zoom call with him, and he was like, "Okay, so what's your numbers look like? You know, what's your close rate, etc." And we're like, this is probably around this maybe." and he was like, "What do you mean you don't have your numbers? Like this is like rookie. This is rookie stuff. Like what are you guys doing?" And so like that was like one of the big lessons, just like of like kind of like basic business stuff that we weren't doing at the time. So we learned a lot from him there, and really also learned like it's really huge to have outside perspective. Like you in your business, it's hard to see things a lot of the times because you're so like inside of the business, and it's hard to like see like what's actually going on from a third party perspective. When you get outside perspective, like it's very easy for someone to say, "Oh, well, you know, your branding sucks," or like, why aren't you posting more of this content? Or why aren't you just doing this thing? Like it's so obvious from an outside perspective, but you're so like inside of it, it's hard to see sometimes. And so that's why I like always have a mentor basically, because outside perspective by itself like is huge. Like I cannot, say how much help it is just to have outside perspective of someone who knows what they're doing. And the last one on this list is number 10, Tyler Tote. Big thing from Tyler is like he's literally the most positive man I've ever met on this planet. Like always positive, always optimistic, high energy all the time. And hung out with him in Vegas for a bit, walked the strip, and I remember like he said something, like declared something. He's like, "I'm the happiest man alive," something like that. And like he said it with such conviction, and like I absolutely believed him. Like he lives it. And like really big takeaway from that is like, you know, our external conditions, like the world that we face, things that go on, problems that come up, things that we can't control, none of that has to dictate your internal state, like how you actually feel, your mood, how you react. External does not have to dictate your internal. All right. Tyler told us a bunch of stories of, things he's been through, things that happened, and why he has such positive outlook on life. And just like, that's the one thing that you really do control is that internal, that self-talk, that your own mind. It's the one thing in life that you're truly in control of. And so really using that to your advantage, like it's one of your best assets. So definitely leveraging that. Tyler Tote, he's the man. If you're watching this, appreciate you, man. But yeah, these are 10 of the mentors that I've had, 10 of the internet gurus. Some of these I did not invest money into. Some of them were just friends. It's a little disclaimer. And probably did not include a few guys on this list because I've literally had so many different mentors. So apologize if I left you out, but this is my experience with 10 of guys. Really like big lessons, takeaways for me is like investing in, mentors or education, skill sets has always been worth it for me. Like truly, like every single time it pays off. And it's not like I get like the whole entire puzzle from one person. Like I get like little pieces of the puzzle to get to where I'm at today from every single person. All right, like little pieces. Like no one person really like completely like transforms everything, but they give you like a really solid piece of the puzzle that helps you make really good progress. And so that's why like I'm just a huge advocate of it. I always have mentors, always invest in education, skill sets to get better, and it's always paid off. So this is my experience with the internet guru space. Of course, before you invest in one, like just make sure they're legit. Don't get scammed. Like see they have actual results for what they do. And really, if you do that, it's hard to go wrong. I was in college as well. Like I was in college for about 3 years pursuing marketing or finance degree. And the classes I took were just like, they just weren't that good. Like really, like all the stuff that I was taught in college, like none of it is like directly applicable to building a business, doing marketing, doing lead generation, signing clients, like literally like none of it. It's all like theory. And so I'm quite passionate about that subject. If you're running a business, you want the best education possible, go to the source, go to mentors, go to people who have actually already done it and they've already lived it, rather than just like a professor. No offense, I'm sure there absolutely are some good ones, but just my experience. And that's been my experience with the Internet Gurus. Hope this helps. And if you are a coach and you're looking to scale your online business with hyper predictability and consistency, go ahead, click that link below. We can chat, see if we're a good fit to scale your business. And I will see you in the next one.